Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the price match feature on Walmart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Walmart application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log in. Once you are taken into the home page, you will be able to shop for various different items directly. Now, if you wish to use the price match feature, you can tap on the services option at the bottom right corner. Within this page, you will see the check a price option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can simply scan the barcode using your phone camera. Once you scan your barcode, you will gain the various different information regarding the product that you scanned the code of. You can also type in your barcode by tapping on the type your barcode option and enter the code underneath the bars. After entering the code, you can simply tap on the search option, and now you will be able to view the details regarding this item, including its price. You can then make a comparison in regards to the various options that you have available. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the price match feature on Walmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.